Hello my lovelies, it is a gorgeous day today on the 23rd day of Vlogust, and I'm here in the park because it's just so beautiful. Let me show you around. We've already eaten lunch today and I will cut that in right now. It was super healthy and gives us a lot of energy to take a nice walk in the park. Today for lunch we're making a dish with these black beans that I'm warming up in this pan. We have some golden beets that were recommended by a subscriber because the other day we made something with red beets and they recommended trying the golden beets because they're delicious and they don't stain as much. So we're trying them, so thank you for that recommendation. We found them at Whole Foods and they're beautiful. And we also have some dandelion greens. So once this heats up we're going to add the vegetables to the bean dish and that's going to be lunch. Here's the final product. Nice healthy little energy boosting lunch. Look at those beets. It has an interesting flavor because the beets are sweet, but the dandelion greens are bitter, and then of course the beans are sort of just mellow, and it all blends together really well. I hope you try it. Thursday today, and you know what that means? It's pasta night in my house. So I think instead of making our usual pasta, we're going to make a pasta bake, which is really fun. And I've shown you how to make sauce, and I'm sure you know how to boil pasta. So I'm not going to show you that part. I'll just show you it quickly in a little montage. But I'll show you how I put together a pasta bake and what I put on top. It's a great meal to have with a little glass of red wine and to share with family and friends, and it's a lot of fun. So come along. Making béchamel. I have a little bit of sauce in the bottom of this Pyrex dish. We're going to put in this rotini, and we're going to put on more tomato sauce and the béchamel sauce. As you can see, there's some onions in the sauce. Now we're going to put some bechamel in. Just push that back to the corners. A little bit more. And now we're going to top everything with the 6 cheese Italian blend. And now a topping of some breadcrumbs. Just a little, gives it a little added something, a little added depth. And shake on some oregano. And into the oven it goes. put some foil on the shelf underneath just in case it drips. So that's at 350 degrees, and we're just going to do it until the cheese gets brown and bubbly. Put it in the broiler for a few minutes just to finish it off, and then we're just going to let it rest for a couple minutes before we divide it up onto our plates. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed our food and our little walk in the park, and I'll see you in 2 days.